Look at some of the key milestones in the history of Kaplan. The reason why these are selected because it goes with the storyline. It does not mean not a very exhaustive list, and there are some very prominent names which are not contributed immensely, like Franco Modigliani and Morton Miller. Pricing majorly is not come in. Then Paul Samuelson is also not listed. So there are very prominent people who are not there. These are some of the people whom I listed, which goes now with the storyline of what I'm going to be thinking about. So it starts with a bachelier who thesis at Sorbonne University in France. It's one of the most prestigious universities around the world. See, these are some of the steps. Then you have Kiyoshi Ito, who is one of the greatest mathematicians, Japanese mathematicians who laid out lemma. So it's important to understand this concept, essential stochastic processes to are underlining for the options pricing. His name comes here. We'll go into a bit of Brownian motion. We'll just see an overview. One of the most prominent names is, of course, Dr. Harry Markowitz. Published a selection paper which brought him, worldwide recognition. This is the first time somebody tried to quantify portfolio management, quantified it in terms of risk return profile. We have now James Toblin. We'll also look at efficient theorem. Eugene Fama, who played such an important role in efficient markets concept. We have William Sharp, Jack Traynor. Jack Traynor laid down the, adjusted return in terms of name. And Mohsen will talk about securities market lines. They are very prominent names. So Michael Jensen contribution and understanding the return of securities and alpha. We'll be discussing the various contributions in the field of capital markets.